say, me didn't know me that reach to all the right land. I don't give a damn. Guys, welcome back to another video, another travel vlog. Well, I'm actually at the airport. I'm going back home, and home is Florida. Yes, not Jamaica, not as yet. The Jamaica vlog is coming, but you guys have to wait. If you all want to see the Jamaica vlog, you have to subscribe to the channel and keep your post notification on. If you're new to my channel, I'm your girl Felicia, and if you're one of my returning subscribers, big up yourself. I'm actually at the airport, going back to Florida. I had a time in Portland, and when I said I had a time in Portland, I had a time. It was one of the best trip I have ever made. Like, Portland is so beautiful. The hiking, the rivers, the beach, the museum, it's wonderful, guys. But I'm going back to the sun hut, and I love Portland because Portland is so cool. It's like, woo. But anyway, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and let's go back home. I'm not gonna do a lot in this vlog because it's night and I don't want to lose my DJI. So this is just a clipping to let you guys know that I'm going back home, and I have a surprise for y'all. And if you wanna see that surprise, continue watch the vlog, because this part of the vlog is just letting you guys know I'm going back home. But if you want to see the whole vlog, you gotta stay and watch the whole vlog. So I'm gonna show you a bit of clippings, but I'll see you when I get to Florida, okay? I look like a white woman. Like, look at them come down here, like, my skin, it's glowing. Like, my skin is glowing. It's like, I'm not cool, but I couldn't leave my jacket because I must see my sister, and where I'm going it's freezing, but I couldn't leave this jacket. So I'm gonna have no space in my luggage, and I decided to put it on, even though it's a little cool. But yeah, I just put it on just for the sake of me not no space. But yeah, I love how my skin does clean, and for the clean skin girl, I'm big up on myself. I'm gonna go back to Florida, I'm just gonna burn up. I'm gonna burn up. I'm gonna like that for me. So it's gonna be my second time going to Minneapolis. I went there on a truck, and then this time I'm just passing through the airport. So I have a connected flight from Portland, Minneapolis, from Minneapolis to Florida. And I can't tell me make Portland far, so. But yeah, I'm just here sitting waiting on my flight. My flight is 12 something, and it's what time now? The time is 11:08. I can't see it, but this is my vision board. My vision board up on my phone, so each time I look on my phone, remember what needs to be done. I remember my focus. But yeah, it's 11:08, and I'm here sitting down waiting for my flight. I have a layover, but that's cool because it's night, and yeah. So come with me, go back to my yard, and just know, say I'm not so happy because the sun. But we have to go. So Miss JJ Lifestyle, I am here at the airport, and I'm bored, and I'm watching y'all. So I don't know what you're talking about. Give breaks, girl. People out here depend on you if you watch your vlog, and please don't take a break, because it's not like I want to fascinate your business, but girlie, you know, you're my little therapy. When I come on here and watch y'all video and watch you and your kids, you guys, especially Sapphire and Mala British, girl, what kind of break you talk about? Go sleep and wake up back here. Come no kind of break you talk about. know me. Oh no, it's a lovely, right? I love traveling. I wanted to be an air hostess when I was young, But unfortunately, I'm not saying I don't want to try, but I love in the air so much. Hey guys, welcome back to another one. And this is me straight from the airport. I am so tired, I am so exhausted. It's been a long flight from Portland back to Florida. I had a time. It's a journey. Like life is just a journey, and when you gotta figure out life, it's not easy. But I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I just came into my motel room because I'm staying here for just one night, and then I go to my apartment. But I want to show you this hotel, whatever you want to call it. It's cute and it's nice. It's pretty also. But I'm so tired. Let me just give you a little room tour. So let me have a look at coffee gallons I go on the song. And this is the little room. This is the little room by myself. But yeah, this is where I'll be staying for the night. My bag is there. Then give me a look at TV. I'm gonna take a shower, and after I take a shower, I'm gonna go to rooms to go to see if I can find myself a bed, so they can deliver it for me on my moving day. Yeah, this is moving series part 1. Moving series part 1. We're gonna go to the apartment. We're gonna go to the apartment and do our final signing in, pay our final money. And yeah, I want to take you guys with that journey, on that journey with me. I may not vlog in my apartment as yet, but I will definitely like vlog bits and pieces. You know, I don't think I want to do like an apartment tour. I don't feel like I want to do an apartment tour. I just feel like I want to do like a little bits and pieces of me decorating our new apartment. And yeah, this is where I was staying for the night, and I'm gonna get a shower. The flight was so long. I'm gonna get a shower and go up on the road to see if we can find a bed. After we find a bed now, I'm gonna see if we can get the bed for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 1st of July. Yay! And that's when I want to move in. That's when I'm supposed to move in 1st of July. That's why I'm back in Florida. Like, yeah, we gotta move in tomorrow. So this is where I'll be spending my night. And yes, it's been a long time coming, and I know my change gonna come. Girl, I'm so proud of you. Girl, I'm so proud of you. But listen, please like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and tell a friend about your girl Felicia, and just come on the little come on my moving series with me, guys. I want to take you guys with me on every step of my journey in life. I may show you bits and pieces, as I told you. I'm not going to show you everything about my life, but I'm going to vlog, okay? So I'll see you when I go to rooms to go, and then I may show you a few bed, but you know, so I'm not going to go down in it. But yeah, we're going to go rooms to go. I get a shower and go rooms to go before it lock, and see what we can find for the apartment, and then yeah. Peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible. The temptations of my past, but I know it's possible. Will my devotion last?
He says there's no me without him. Please help me forget about him. He takes all my energy, trapped in my memory.
Oh, I like this. So guys, we're in room to go now. We are looking at bed frame. That's the first thing I'm gonna buy, a bed, and then I'm going to look for the rest of the stuff.
I need to tell you all the pain he's caused.
Yeah, it's so nice in here though. I want my house to look so cute. You know, like idiot style in my place.
Find peace of mind. I know now I have to face. I gotta find peace of mind. Please don't let me disgrace. He says it's impossible.
No problem, man. Yeah, problem. This babies. Or something like this more.
Will my devotion last to finally be in love and know the real meaning of a lasting relationship, not based on ownership. You love me despite myself. Sometimes I fight myself. I just can't believe that you
I came in rooms to go to see if I can find myself like a bed frame, a bed, a couch, and something. But nah, me not like it, so me not find nothing what me want to find. Not finding nothing that I want to find. Me not see nothing what me like. Me not like this at all. This not ready. Not about this. Not ready. You get it? Me not like them. They may not give in. But yeah, me not see nothing what me like in this place. Nope. It's nice here. This is so nice. Let me spin around and test it out. This is comfortable. No, my space not big, sir. My space not big, sir, at all. I know that for sure. I think maybe have something like this when I live in New York. I think this is nice. The mirror here, oh Jesus God, imagine me have this in my living room. Imagine I have this in my living room. Just know say I'll be taking pictures in this every day. Like yeah. But like when you have it one I want to buy them big something there.